Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries across the globe, driving innovation, efficiency, and creating new opportunities. Its integration in transforming traditional processes by enabling smarter decision making, automation, and enhancing customer experiences. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries by enhancing operational efficiency, reducing costs, and enabling innovative products and services. From healthcare to cybersecurity, artificial intelligence is driving a new era of technological advancement, reshaping industries and the global economy. Artificial intelligence is impacting the HFTAC industry, that is, healthcare, finance, transportation, agriculture, and cybersecurity. In healthcare, artificial intelligence powered tools like machine learning algorithms and image recognition are improving disease diagnosis accurately, from detecting cancers in radiology scans to predicting patient outcomes. Artificial intelligence helps tailor treatments based on individual genetic information. The other sectors including drug discovery and telemedicine and virtual health assistants. In finance, artificial intelligence algorithms can analyze transaction data in real time, identifying patterns indicative of fraudulent activities, enhancing security. Artificial intelligence models predict market trends and execute trades at optimal times, improving investment returns for hedge funds and traders. Artificial intelligence chatbots and automated financial advisor provide personalized customer support, managing tasks like account inquiries or wealth management efficiently. In transportation and logistics industry, artificial intelligence plays a critical role in the development of self-driving cars and trucks, with companies like Tesla and Waymo leading the charge. Artificial intelligence analyzes traffic patterns, weather, and other factors to optimize delivery routes, improving fuel efficiency and delivery times. Artificial intelligence powered tools monitor vehicle conditions, manage fuel consumption, and predict maintenance needs to improve overall operational efficiency. In agriculture, artificial intelligence helps farmers optimize crop yields by analyzing soil conditions, weather forecasts, and plant health in real time, enabling targeted interventions like irrigation and fertilization. Artificial intelligence powered drones and robots assist in planting, watering, and harvesting crops, reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. Artificial intelligence optimizes the food supply chain by predicting demand and reducing spoilage through more accurate logistic planning. The fifth and most important industry is the cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence systems detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, identifying potential vulnerabilities and preventing attacks. Artificial intelligence automates the response to security incidents, improving reaction times and reducing the impact of breaches. Artificial intelligence tools evaluate security risks across systems, helping businesses protect sensitive data and maintain compliance with regulations. Organizations that embrace artificial intelligence stand to benefit greatly, positioning themselves as leaders in their respective fields. Let's look into today's headlines. Apple supplier Jabil to come up with Rs 2000 crore manufacturing unit in Tiruchirappalli. Apple's contract manufacturer Jabil will set up an electronics manufacturing facility in Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. The company will invest Rs 2000 crore and will create 5,000 jobs. Jabil is also a major supplier to Cisco and HP. Earlier this year, Jabil began manufacturing AirPod components, plastic bodies for Apple in India. Dixon Technologies to manufacture PCs under PLI scheme for HP India. Indian contract manufacturer Dixon Technologies has collaborated with HP India to manufacture laptops, desktops, and all-in-one PCs. The collaboration was formalized through a memorandum of understanding and will see Dixon's subsidiary Padgett Electronics undertake the manufacturing subject to the signing of definitive agreements. The production will be carried out under the government's Production Linked Incentive, that is PLI Scheme 2.0. Workers at Samsung's Chennai plant go on indefinite strike. Hundreds of workers at the Samsung Electronics plant in Sri Perumbudur, near the city of Chennai, have gone on an indefinite strike demanding high wages, partially disrupting production on Monday. This follows a 4-day strike by Samsung's largest union in South Korea in August, where employees demanded wage increases and bonuses after negotiations with management broke down. Samsung employs around 2,000 workers at its Sriperumbudur plant, which makes refrigerators and washing machines. Apple's YouTube channel was apparently hacked prior to Glow Time event. Ahead of the most awaited Glow Time event, Apple's YouTube channel was apparently hacked. As per a tech YouTuber, an AI-generated video of Apple CEO Tim Cook was streaming on the company's YouTube channel. Cook was seen asking for Bitcoin in the video that was posted by the YouTuber on X ahead of the launch event. GST collection from online gaming raised by 412%. The GST collection from online gaming has raised 412% in 6 months from October 1st of 2023 following the implementation of 28% tax on these services, said Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The revenue from online gaming has reached rupees 6,909 crore in just 6 months. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.